8 years ago, if anybody had told me that, peace, you are going to be having a very diversified portfolio of investment, you will be financially stable, you will have your emergency funds on check, I would have told them you are crazy, because that was not my reality. But fast forward to this time, I am that girl with a very diversified portfolio of investment, has more risk tolerance when it comes to investing. I have done so many things, and trust me, your girl is more financially stable. I'm no longer living paycheck to paycheck. I can travel to all the countries I want to travel to. Clock it, your girl is doing something right. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 investment options that I started recently. One I started last year. The second one today, as I'm filming this video, today I went to register for the second one because I want to have a more diversified portfolio of investments. I don't just want to put my money in one place where if it goes bust, I lose all my money. No, that is not what we want. When it comes to building wealth, you need to have a diversified portfolio, have a mix of both high risk and low risk investment options. And the one I chose today, trust me, it is very high risk. Your girl has grown, she's making bolder decisions nowadays. But even though it is not the most low risk of investment, but the fact that I have started investing in this option is something that should be commended, and I want to talk to you about it. So by the end of this video, you will definitely know about these 2 investment options, when to start using either of this investment I'm talking about, and how I split them to help me build a more diversified, profitable portfolio. Even though your girl needs no introduction, but if you are new to this channel, my name is Peace. I am that girl who is taking you on her financial journey of building wealth while living life to the fullest. So think intentional living, right? Your girl is about that. So if you're interested in anything finance, lifestyle, having a well-balanced life, you might want to click that like button, subscribe to the channel for all things that are going to help you to live life in your best version. Now let's get right to the tea of this video. Now, to the order of the day, whenever you hear diversification, what usually comes to your mind? For some people, nothing. For those who are financially aware, multiple investments with different goals, different timelines. Yes, that is what diversification is about. You putting your money in different investment options with short-term, long-term goals, like anything that's going to help you to just basically have all your aspects of life in check. So you have your school fees maybe in a short-term investment option, you have your building house in a long-term investment option. So having that diversification is something that is very important when you are on your journey to building wealth, because one thing you should never do with your money is put it in one place. So don't always think of diversification as a buzzword that people are always throwing around. It is something that is very real and helps you to build wealth properly. Now that we've got diversification out of the way, or at least the definition of diversification, today we are going to be talking about 2 interesting investment options that I started recently. And by the title of this video, I believe you should know what I'm talking about. So we have the money market mutual funds and the equity market mutual funds. Trust me when I say I am that girl who has taken the boring road to building wealth for the longest time, low risk. The only risky thing I've ever done is investing my money in stocks, and that is just a portion of my money. Like I said, diversification is key, right? So I have always invested in stocks, putting money every other month into stocks, while every other month of the other month I put in building up my emergency fund, if you get the idea. So basically this month I'll put in piggy vest for emergency fund, the next month I'll put in stocks, alternating it like that. That is what I've always done. But last year I decided to go into money market mutual funds, because why not? I heard that interest is paid daily. I heard that it is a good investment option. As usual, your girl went to do her research. I went to Stanbic IBTC mutual funds because they are the ones that are mostly talked about. I know there are other organizations that do market money, MMF, get the gist, but I really wanted the best of the best, and they are said or known to be the best of the best, at least when it comes to asset management. So I decided to go with Stanbic IBTC, and this time around I decided to invest in the money market mutual funds. After setting up my accounts, trust me, your girl, my money has grown. I don't want to give you figures so that you don't think that I am the richest of the richest, because as I am here right now, I still want more money. Don't go to still they find money. You know that gist. But anyways, I decided to invest in that option, and it has been growing so far. But to cut the long story short, what is a money market mutual fund? Because I need to give you the tea so that if you decide to go and put your money there, you know that you are getting all the right information from the right source. Yes. So when they talk about money market mutual funds, just think of that method where you use ajo. You are gathering money from different people and investing it into something. But although ajo is not investing, you're basically just saving money, but you get the gist. So taking money from different people and investing it into a pool of funds. So you find that your money is invested in short-term investment options like treasury bills, commercial papers, bank deposits, and all those things that are low-risk short-term investment options where your money is basically safe, your capital is preserved, low volatility. That is what money market mutual funds is. So it is not a risky investment. You get your interest daily paid back into you, reinvested for you, which is is the interesting part about this type of investment option. So if you are one that has a short-term goal, like you want to pay your school fees, you want to house rent, your emergency fund, this is a good place to put your money rather than keeping it idle in the bank. This is an option you can start investing in. So money market mutual funds, go to any asset management firm and tell them that you want to invest. Obviously everything I've told you about money market mutual funds is the pros of putting your money there, but trust me, there are some cons, and one of them being that it is for short-term investment options, so you are not thinking long-term, building wealth and all that, because the interest that is paid is basically affected by inflation. So you are basically gaining interest. That is the general gist of it. It's just like you putting your money in the bank, leaving it and not making any transaction on your account for 4 consecutive times. You get an interest. So interest is being paid to you for keeping your money in that option of investment. That is why it is called a money market mutual funds. It is low risk, but your money is just stable, so it is not really for long-term growth. Think of it more as for emergency funds. Rather than keeping your money idle, you are just putting it in a place where it is working, even though it is slower than the other option we are going to be talking about. Now let's go to the T, because if there is anything, your girl wants her money to be working big time, not only slower. I want a balanced investment option, a balanced growth. So when this one is doing very slow, I should have something else that is, moving faster. That is where equity mutual funds comes into play. Now, in simple terms, equity, like the name says, is investing your money in the shares of companies. So publicly listed companies, your money is invested there. That is the simple definition of equity mutual funds. Just know that a fund manager is the one in charge of your money, because you are leaving your money with an asset management firm. So they are basically going to allow a fund manager that knows about the stock market to invest your money. But if there is anything you need to know about this investment option, it is very volatile. Like, your money can just be swinging, and I saw it in real time today. So let me show you a video I recorded when I went to Stanbic IBTC to go and register for this equity mutual funds today, because what I saw, my eyes could not say it. So I can key it.
So the money market, that's the only capital preserved funds, the interest based. So others are unitized funds.
Okay.
Any other fund type you see there, they are unitized. Equity funds, ethical funds, balanced bond, Sharia, Iman, name it. So they work as unitized funds, depending on how much price you are buying, and then it depends on how much you are selling. That will determine what you as an investor you're going to get.
Okay, like that equity funds now, is it something that I can keep? I know that one is usually high risk, high return, that kind of thing, but that's what I'm saying. It's not like I'm planning to put all my money there, but at least let me just risk a portion of it, to being that right now the stock market is not so bad. So, and is it something that I can, from my current investment in the normal money market, like put a portion of it?
Well, so the thing is, since you're an existing customer already, so all you need to do, you can fund your wallet. So even if it means funding your wallet with just 5,000 naira, you can fund your wallet with 5,000 naira, and then when the funds have impacted your wallet, you can now use it to purchase another fund type of your choice.
Now, why that video basically just told you about the process of registering and all that, because I wanted to register for both equity mutual funds and dollar mutual funds. So I was just getting the steps and what I need to do and the differences between them, basically the interest and all that. But the real-time example I got today was a shocker, because as I was told to fund my wallet with 5,000 naira just to test it and push it, because if you already have a money market mutual funds wallet, you don't need to create another one for equity mutual funds. You just need to credit your wallet, which is already in the app, and then say, okay, you're buying this particular investment option, which is what I did. Lo and behold, guys, do you know that I paid in 5,000 naira, did this investment immediately? Tell me why I was seeing my money was 4,900 and something naira. So that means immediately I invested in it, my money lost value. So if you are one that has a very low risk tolerance, you better stay away from this investment option, because it is not for the weak. Thank God I have an idea of what would happen. So the lady was very relieved when I saw my money was 4,900 and something, because she knew that I understood what I was getting into. Unlike someone who is very reactive to money issues, somebody would have had to drag your your shirt in that place and time, because why is the money I put 5,000 naira, why am I saying 4,900 and something naira? So just know that that particular investment option is very volatile. It is more for long-term investment options. If you are one that invests in stocks, you know about stocks, this is a good place. It's just that this time around you are not the one doing the investment by yourself. It is being handled by a fund manager where your money is diversified into like oil and gas, food, bank, like everywhere that the Nigerian Stock Exchange is currently making money. And we know that the Nigerian Stock Exchange has been making money in the past 2 to 3, 4 years now. So we have been having a good run when it comes to growth. So you know that your money is sure to grow. It's just that you need to remove your mind, put your money there, remove your mind, and know that it is for long-term investment option, unlike the money market mutual funds, which is for short-term. Now there are some pros and cons to this particular type of investment, obviously, and one is known that this type of investment tends to outpace inflation because your money is invested for the long term. If you are one that has been investing in stocks, you know that equities tend to do well long term, so you know that your money is growing. It's just that when you are leaving it for only the short term, you are bound to lose value because of how the market moves. And another thing is that obviously high risk, high reward, right? This type of investment option has a higher reward compared to the money market mutual fund because you are investing in equities, in companies, real working companies. Your money is bound to grow, but just know that it is long term. And one good thing about this type of investment option is that it is managed by a funds manager, so they know about these stocks, they know so many things about the equities market. So instead of you having to dabble into stocks where you don't really know anything about picking stocks and all that, this is a good investment option if you want to diversify your money. Now if there's any con to this particular investment option, because the cons are usually very high and it can really scare someone who is not very patient enough away. It is this volatility issue. Like you can see the money that you put immediately lose value in before your very own eyes. So just have that at the back of your mind and know that the returns you get in your previous investment is not a guarantee that you're going to be getting higher or that same return in your future investment. It basically moves with the market, so you need to be very patient if you are one that wants to invest in this investment option. But just know high risk, high reward. And one thing that is very important, it is not suitable for the money you will need very soon. Remember, it is for long term. Think 5+ years when you are investing in this type of investment option. For this one, I'm going to be bringing my laptop so that we can go through the pros and the cons of the two investment options, the money market mutual funds and the equity market mutual funds. One is the risk level. For the money market mutual funds, it is low risk, while the equity one is higher risk. Time horizon for the money market mutual funds 1 to 2 years. For the equity mutual funds, 5+ years. Then volatility in the money market mutual funds, it is very minimal. Remember, it is interest based. And then for the equity market mutual funds, profit on investment can be significantly higher than that of the money market mutual funds. Another thing is growth potential. For the money market mutual funds, the growth is usually very modest, nothing too serious. Depending on the amount you have in the account, that determines how much your interest will be. But for the equity mutual funds, obviously, like we said, high risk, high reward. The reward is obviously higher, but it is over time. And then liquidity is high in the money market mutual funds, but in the equity mutual funds, it depends on how long you keep your money yet again. So it is generally high, but the value usually fluctuates based on the market and all that. And then it is best used for emergency funds, which is the money market mutual funds. You are thinking short-term goals, while the equity mutual funds is obviously better for long-term wealth building. Now let's come to the part where I talk about how I split this my investment. Like I said, I invested in equity mutual funds just today, so it is still like a work in progress. But for now, I just have that 5,000 naira which lost value immediately in that account, but I plan to grow it over time. And as advised in the bank there, I was told to put little, monitor the market and see how it grows from there. But you see, for the money market mutual funds which I have invested or started investing since last year, and try to put as much money every single time I have reasonable money into the account, with 6 million naira you will be getting 100,000 naira and above interest every single month. So it is not a bad investment. Money you did not work for, just because you put your money somewhere, it is now working for you. It is a good investment. While it is slow, it is low risk and all that. Then imagine now putting like a portion of that money into the equities mutual funds just to have a diversified portfolio, which is something I plan to do. Then why this one is growing like in the volatile market, the other one is growing in the low risk market. The idea is that you have the two, you have a balanced portfolio, not putting your money only in one place. You have a diversified portfolio. Now let's come back to you. Let's say you want to start investing but don't really know what you should do. Based on everything we've talked about, just know that if you want to invest in this option, either the money market mutual funds or the equity market mutual funds, just know that if you are planning investment for short-term goals, you are going to be going with the money market mutual funds. But if you are planning long-term wealth building option, you don't know how to pick stocks but you want to invest, then equities market mutual funds is your best bet. But then sometimes you can't always fall on either side. You might want a blend of both like I did or like I'm currently doing. Then you might want to consider 50-50 if you are comfortable, but the best approach is not to do 50-50 in this particular thing, because like I said, one is slow, one is high. One is low risk, one is high risk. So you just put something that you are very comfortable with. But like I was advised in the bank, just start with a slower pace when it comes to the equities. Learn how the market moves before you decide how much you are going to be putting in it. I am the type that likes the blended approach because I want a more balanced portfolio, which is why I also created the dollar mutual funds account, which I plan to invest in very soon. But I was told in the bank that currently, like, the dollar market mutual funds is not doing so well, so you might want to hold off on that for now. At least that was what I was told. But dollar is always a place where you can put your money and, you know, get against inflation. So just always have this at the back of your mind. It's better to have a balanced idea of this thing. While you're putting money here, you're putting money here. While one is losing, one might be gaining. That is the whole idea of the investment. Remember at the beginning of this video, I said I am that girl who now has a diversified portfolio of investment, investing in so many things, having a travel fund, which is something that would have not happened to me 8 years ago if I had not made that one decision after I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. That is the main idea here. I have always talked about this idea that money is just a tool for me to live the best life I want, so that I can travel, which is my only hobby, so that I can have a balance of knowing that while I'm building wealth, I am enjoying life. This is how I'm building wealth lately. This is what I've been doing, and it has been working so far for me. But one thing that is not always talked about is that you need a source of income for you to leverage and start this journey of building wealth. So the first step, if you are one that does not really know where to start, is to have a source of income while also having other things on the side. Have that major source of income, which is your active source of income. Then you can leverage it to start building wealth. Either you are using your side hustle, the money you are getting from your side hustle, to invest, or you are using it to live life. But just have like one or two. So one is funding your active lifestyle, while the other one is funding your investment lifestyle. That is what I've been doing so far, depending on how much you are earning anyways. So if you are going to be taking anything away from this video, it is that knowing that diversification of your investment is very important. It is not that hard. It is just a matter of matching whatever you are doing to your goal. Whether you are having a travel fund, which is a form of diversification of your income, you are having an emergency account, you are having a long-term goals account, short-term goals account, just have these pockets of places where you are putting your money. But all that matters is that you are not leaving the money in the account idle, doing nothing, earning you very little to nothing interest rate. This is all I wanted to share with you guys. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you want me to cover any topic, make sure to drop it in the comments. And guys, one interesting thing that happened, now I have a one-on-one link. If you are one that wants to, you know, chat with me, let's talk. Link is in the bio. If there's any conversation around money, your girl is always at the front of it. I want to know everything I need to know. And maybe you are one that has been struggling with your finances, you might want to join in. Click that link and book a one-on-one session with your girl. I'll see you guys in my next one.